Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add social security number guys to your Chase bank account. It's really easy and simple to do this. So first things first, we're going to do, of course, you want to log into your Chase account. So open a Chase app or visit chase.com and then just enter your username and password to log in. And once you're logged in guys, what you want to do is you want to navigate to profile settings. So go ahead and navigate to the menu and then select profile and settings and then choose personal details. And after this guys, you want to find the SSN section. So you want to look for the social security number option under personal details. And if you haven't added it yet guys, there will be an option to update or add your social security number. Okay, then you want to enter your social security number. So input the SSN in the provided field. Just double check the number for accuracy to avoid any errors. And then, Chase may actually require you to verify your identity. They might require, additional identity verification for security purposes. So you just want to go ahead and follow the prompts, which might include answering, security questions or receiving a verification code. Okay. So after entering your SSN and completing verification, just click on Save to update your account, and then you will receive a confirmation message on screen and also possibly via email once your social security number is successfully added. And if you encounter any issues or don't see the option online, guys, you can visit a Chase branch or call their customer service number for assistance. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing the like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.